What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, bringing to you another tool review. Let's check it out. So what I've got for you this time is Rey Sapnu's Precision PDR Lift Rite. I purchased it at Anson PDR in Texas. I was kind of slow and late to the game with this thing. There were a lot of people that already had this. It's been out for a while, and the reviews on it already are extremely good. Very little downfalls to it. This is the updated version. The updated version has a gnarled head to it, tightener, and this is anodized. Before, they were having some issues with them rusting. What I really like about this is the adjustability of it. How it turns 360 degrees. The comfortable part of it, it has this nice cutout here that your hand just fits perfectly in there. And it's so comfortable, and there's so much drive on this thing. I have been using the Kiko Robo Lifter. It's a versatile tool too. You almost need both of these. There are certain times that this is not a perfect option for what you're going to pull, and you have times that this is not a perfect option. So I tag team them together. You know, you can see how you can have to hold the Robo Lifter to pull it. The strain on the joint here. Still a great tool. The comfortable part of this mini lifter, I can't explain it. It's now my go-to. The true drive of this thing, it's almost dangerous. Like I said before, they both have their keys and their downfalls. It's just a really good tool. Well made, made out of aluminum. I mean, it's got some weight to it. The feet adjust really well. I like my feet a little stiffer. I'll probably tighten this bolt to make them a little more stiffer. Has his logo engraved right here in the rubber pad. It's awesome. If you don't have one of these, make sure you get one of these at precisionpdrtools.com. Rey's a great hail tech, just a really good dude, and it's really nice seeing these average techs that are out there building tools and bringing them to market. It changes our life, you know. I mean, James Lee with the Eliminate Light, even Kiko with their tabs. I mean, those dead center tabs for Kiko are amazing. But make sure you get yourself one of these. It's awesome. I've got nothing else. I've said that 3 times in this video. Got nothing bad to say about it. I haven't had any issues, but it's been my go-to since I got it from the Anson open house. So remember, guys, get yourself one, keep it real. Thanks for watching. See you guys.